Wind problems here. I discovered this earlier. So cold. Feels like 2017. Wow, we up. I post this on YouTube. I'm uploading this for YouTube for memories. Yeah, we have a storm. I don't know. I guess like some type of weird storm. So weird. There's no rain. We have some storms on the mountains. Yeah, let's see here. See my camera and have storage. Oh. Yeah, this is weird. It's kind of scary. It looks great right here, but this way it looks really scary. It looks scary behind my house. Can't. Ooh. Windstorm. You can pick up a pizza box and just toss up in the air. That's all. Just the wind. Just the wind.